Hi guys, I'm your host Lisanne Lazarus and this is Iziko On The Move. So last week on the show I had finalists from the Mr and Miss DUT pageant and the show went on, and right here next to me we have the winner, Mr DUT, and he was with us on the show and he was a finalist just last week, and this week he's sitting here as Mr DUT. So welcome and thank you for joining us. This time you can introduce yourself as our Mr DUT.
Hello Lisanne, thank you for having me again. Yeah, this is Mr D 2016 Kulego Mbata. Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us and congratulations once again. So I was in that audience and it was an absolute uproar when you won.
Mr DUT 2016 is Kulego Mbata. Give it up for Kulego.
And I say uproar in a good way. So tell us, how was that winning moment for you?
Oh wow, my winning moment, it was so awesome actually. As much as I'd say I was expecting it, but hey, let's say leave a room for disappointment, you know. But hey, it was like too teaching for me and the others actually, because when it actually happened, I didn't actually know that I had so much supporters, because when they're like counting down, they're like, who do you think should win? And everybody started shouting when I'm like, oh my word, what is happening? But yeah, it was really exciting. I won't lie, it was really exciting.
Give it up for Kulego. I say hi if you with it. Yeah, right. Me, I'm just approaching the mill. It's me, they know what's the deal. That's lucky we go for the king. I'm hustling still, running the field and taking a pill.
Sitting in that audience, I must say you did extremely well and I was so proud, especially because I got the exclusive interview.
Yeah.
So being Mr. DUT, tell us, what did you win?
Okay, for now I only know that I won a voucher of 8,000 to spend on gadgets.
Wow.
Yeah, you got it last year. A trip to Cape Town. Well, the rest of the top 6 is going to Cape Town, but it's not really confirmed that when are we going there. And okay, I don't know if it's one of the, but I guess it's one of the prizes that I'll be representing Durban's University of Technology at the Mr and Miss SA campus sometime either this year or probably early next year. So yeah, and the rest I guess I'll just find out when we've got a meeting with the organizers, because we haven't really met to discuss my prizes.
I'm sure you're excited about that.
Yeah, very.
So after the crowning and after your winning moment, how has the response been from the students at DUT?
Oh my word, my phone has been buzzing since Friday. Like, so many congratulations messages, people are uploading my pictures on Facebook. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm the first skinny Mr. DUT. But hey, people have been really excited and I've been excited. Like, it has been, I don't know how to put it, but it has been amazing. Like, it's like people really wanted me to win this. Like, I don't know, but hey, it's been really cool. My phone has been busy. Like, I'm still trying to reply to all those inboxes and whatnot. But hey, yeah, it's been cool.
Just own it. Just own it. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. Once again, congratulations, and we hope to see you around campus.
Thank you so much for having me, and you will be seeing me around campus. Like,
definitely.
I have to show face, like Mr. D 2016. I have to be around it.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. Okay, thank you for joining us, and enjoy your rain.
I will sure do. Thank you.
Thank you. So as you all know, this week was all about elections, and I went out there and I got some cool snaps of people who had some outrageous outfits. Some of them were actually quite snazzy. So take a look at this. So I came across these 3 beautiful ladies' pictures on Instagram, and they're absolutely rocking the trending head wraps. And it's so nice to see in South Africa that people are so proud to go out and vote for their party of their choice. Okay, and then we have this one. Let's just take a moment to look at this girl. This reminds me of the WWE days when we used to chill waiting for Rey Mysterio to come out and pull his move. Is she trying to do that? Is she trying to pull that Rey Mysterio up on us? And then we cannot have a fashion feature without featuring the dashing Somizi and the ever so beautiful Kelly Kamalo, who both looked absolutely amazing in their outfits. So we're going to be doing something totally different on the show. It's going to be exclusive only to my show, where every month I'm going to be taking you to Gateway, where they'll be having an event called Out the Box, and you'll be seeing exclusive designs and work from all the retailers around Gateway, and we'll be getting exclusives on what's to come in their new range and their new line that will be showcased in their store. So this week we went to Gateway, and this is what went down.
How's it guys? My name is Michelle Shelley. I'm the marketing manager of Gateway Theatre Shopping. Tonight we are celebrating women at our monthly Out the Box event. Out the Box is an event where we showcase numerous retailers at Gateway. Tonight we're featuring all the things that ladies love, from cakes, food to manicures and pedicures, coffee, fashion, shoes. So we're really excited about tonight. We've got lots of lovely ladies joining us for the evening, and maybe sometime you can come and join us.
And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for joining us and tuning into this week's show. Don't forget, next week, same time, same place. Don't forget to like and share our videos. Thank you so much once again. And this has been Iziko On The Move with Lisanne.